DVDFab 12.08.6 is an all-in-one multimedia solution that provides comprehensive tools for copying, ripping, converting, and creating DVDs, Blu-rays, and UHD discs. Designed for both casual and advanced users, this software offers a seamless experience for managing physical media and transforming it into versatile digital formats. With its user-friendly interface and advanced functionalities, DVDFab has become a go-to choice for media enthusiasts. One of the standout features of DVDFab 12.0.8.6 is its ability to bypass the latest disk protections. This ensures users can back up and duplicate their media collections without encountering compatibility issues. It offers multiple copy modes, such as full disk, main movie, customize, split, and clone burn, giving users the flexibility to choose how they want to process their disks, whether it's duplicating the entire disk or extracting specific content. In addition to its copying capabilities, DVDFab 12.8.6 excels in disk ripping. Users can convert DVDs, Blu-rays, and UHD discs into various digital formats, making it easy to enjoy media on smartphones, tablets, gaming consoles, and other devices. The software supports a wide range of output formats and presets, ensuring compatibility with modern multimedia platforms. For those who wish to create physical media, DVDFab 12.0.8.6 includes tools for authoring DVDs and Blu-rays. Users can produce professional quality discs complete with customizable menus, chapters, and other features. This makes it an excellent choice for preserving family videos, distributing content, or creating backups with a polished, professional touch. In summary, DVDFab 12.0.8.6 is a versatile and powerful multimedia toolkit that caters to all aspects of disk management. Whether you're looking to back up your physical media, convert it for digital use, or create custom disks, this software delivers reliable performance and cutting-edge features. With regular updates to support new disk protections and formats, DVDFab continues to be a trusted name in the multimedia industry.